Hey everyone, Current ECG here. My name's Dave Klein and I'll be your tour guide for the next couple of minutes or so. And by the end of this episode, I hope to have you all literally depolarizing right out of your seats. Welcome to Current ECG. My name's Dave Klein and I'm the founder of the Current ECG Workshop. A little bit of background about me. I'm an advanced care paramedic who lives and works in Nova Scotia, Canada. Additionally, I work in a clinical development role and also the lead facilitator of an advanced care paramedic program. I have a passion and enthusiasm for ECG interpretation and how this skill improves my ability to deliver quality patient care as a practitioner of emergency medicine. So I followed this passion and was able to complete advanced ECG interpretation training, which is recognized through the University of Houston, Texas. My goal is to create a direct link between cardiovascular anatomy and physiology and how this relates to our understanding of ECG interpretation. And I really feel like that direct connection has been the missing link for many of us. The goal of this video series is to advance the skill of ECG interpretation by providing current ECG research and making it a little less scary and a little more fun. You'll learn things like the basics to build a strong ECG foundation, but also more advanced topics like the importance of understanding morphology, as well as currents of injury and their impact on what you see on an ECG tracing. So be part of the evolution, heck the revolution, and stay current. Hey everyone, thanks for being a part of today's episode. If you'd like to continue your learning, improve your skills, and provide a higher level of patient care, well, come be part of our community. If you're a student who wants to break through in emergency medicine, learn how to work the trucks and the streets, well, this is for you. If you're a seasoned veteran who's like, hey, I need to brush up on my skills, technology's moving forward, so should we, then this is for you. Come join this community at currentecg.com. Let's make emergency medicine education and ECG interpretation a little less scary and a little more fun. Again, subscribe to us at currentecg.com. Hope to see you soon. Stay current.